Yeah, and she, yes, yeah, the mercy, and one on a young woman on Inquidin Como Kakra, and Bibian Sono, and to me, and Cos, when one so better on a platform, the Sia Dincomo, Mehu, Satutwana Abaso, Jenim Giovanni and Sijua, what John will platform, no so Samson, no Quesi, Abra Quatas, Nana Aquesi, also was so Kutasonomo, and Fanfun Douglas, what Johnny, Reverend Obofo Jr., also Okutem, Rozak Roxon, what Johnny, a star boy, all the way from AM, Ahafu. Piaga wonso kutasho no mutim ba bia wo bia no yamo akwaba eba platform kese no so Sompa 93.1 live on Facebook and so bra na yendi enkomo na bibia so entumi nya kama sanso and yenwe Abdul Basit wonso Johnny ye ma bibia so etuma ye kama mama mi aye de bekoso nyankopon yadom over the weekend all the way ewo Glasgow me patro Scotland abonte so we na Celtic boboko no and so airport winim say Celtic team no nyame yadom weekend o mu game no pa na wie pe woman and the champions. I was Scotland abonte so now so far they are mean second year and in some penny fire arrangement bebre and for how we so party parade no ebesi akọ on the season no ya up and we ya uko England and che eba na we Spain and so eba na we and Germany across the top 5 major European leagues no don't wanna at the eba na we way I Scotland from penny for I am Celtic team no and penny for na their two powers and him say woman team and at the Saint Mary Miren and so above your pair not just a party and so good so because so now they are meeting you and some penny fortress and the aqua commerce call and the police for some said they be a bomb body be so to my cousin and they provide the security and so intimate farm more or your sound arrangement in answer now they are meeting the same security no one order as many as 200 police officers so mumra amabo pine na bibia so ntumi kama enu ayatami seka all the way from Scotland and they yade en sama hoton adepa na bibia so atum kama mama mawura ne tani Rafinha say ono Ballon d'Or onjo ho winim so tutu na so se Rafinha for Ballon d'Or this season akra no ball upon anya some ketwa no ten but also the job bia so no Ballon d'Or. Many people send me memes with the Ballon d'Or, but it doesn't matter to me. It is not a goal I set for myself. My goal is to win titles and give my best for the team I played for. And no any idea etana koma so do hwe enemy so betuma abo to my fans of Bossa. Do betuma abo me and the Brazil. Now mo so etuma titles. E ban the same medals. And also put Ballon d'Or no according to boy or say anya to twen when no somebody be an so good so happen that no when him so run tell Francesco Calvo or did too much Juve me part of penino a part of West with Tim and Juve and ordinary chamo baby floor take it from me reporter me second exclusively at just penino nanichem Aston Villa Bobokono akwati juma insult me dia momo so say Villa Bobokon anya pre e san so mu ne sem baby amabetru no I was same strategically and in Ekwanson kosono wamutumi etotoni yoma sade be ya bobokon entumi enfoli enaso monsambo machibiem babia matro no ewose mutumi totoni yoma sade be ya monso betuma komanim na ayesa forward ever and also backward never and ayen some men seka and not from Aston Villa nine opinion your friend Francesco Calvo no womun na wie wa resign from ayen Juve bobokon and no ayen some ni sefro so to twende ya yaguso ayde won sama hoton adem yetie for agwodwumete kasipa we so me part of grace yes kepo aye Jason aye Tantum and also Jason Tatum yes kepo ne dia no na yenya football related stories no me wi ameko NBA na afi finally ye be wi wo tennis no ne de hu nkomo bebre enso ho enti yes kepo eno ansa mam AC Milan boboko no ena no pay ya mo pay a ketasiko or mo pay a visit to the president enti moma yehwe kaka wo Sompa TV ne so against Sompa 93.1 live on Facebook where you AC Milan wamu coach anything Obapa edwuma na no no enti yentoaso wei AC Milan team no nyame ya adoma chena wamone aye bobo kwa netendi Bologna bebo aye Coppa Italia grand finale and also final na bekoso echena enti so say enubre no e wosoro wamu pay a visit to the president of Italy opening a FSA Sergio aye Monterera achase and also to because this morning ya enti wehu Sergio Conceição being the coach of the club or no and the leading delegation no obehu se wey owura ne tadi Zlatan Ibrahimovic ono so na chese oja entrance no enti oni security and also penifo no enso gina hono mo guide na bibia so etum aye kama this morning and asafi and me patro sab aye visit no and so etum ekoso yegu so ya sansama hu doni na ete me yetiefo egotuma take sepa we so me da so wo Milan boboko na so e pa de tene se woni me se report am in sekanie and se ese fone gidi se akonya we eno and I had the realistic chance so betuma qualify for Europe nyame ya adoma aye next season e chance baby amota ewo Italian Serie A no so be yeten e de amom so be sa qualification no akobo UEFA Europa League and also any other competition for Europe abonten so ba so mutumi asabo bokwa ne tedi Bologna nyame ya adoma china eno no e betumi amom the qualification no makwa akobo aye Europa League no next season eno achi no betuma ye 30 million aye euros richer enti eni brano wosoro wo manya bre enyasam ketokra yankopon ya adoma china ane sa game ne be koso a yade won sama hotoni na no atepa na bibia so atum aye kama enso ho me pa cho aye grace mama mo gra ne ten ade aye vonimel boban openi we asam na make no na wa grant interview wa kan some bebre onu ogura first Andrea aye Longini and a din komo on YouTube channel na masa openi ne sama gobro so no enya asam ketoko jidi so number 1 AC Milan team no aye dia ekodi mpanifo bi sama womu ni madwuma womu ni football adwuma no omu de keke have never really asked themselves deeply enti mpenifo ni bi ho a I said to me na ebedu omunsam akonya bi no manya anoma bebeta AC Milan club ni mu womu ni bibia mfa football no en ayogura ni small di tutwa no na obebe wiekwa no so openi we oyese AC Milan adwuma eba onu ko busa se owo CV he asked Obusan say Ogo CV na and Okachen said get out from my office or so pamono and so to me the free hall and ayogura no so somebody to try that day and you go so I don't want somehow done and so they ba na be so to my come or say the only way AC Milan bet to my back to I am right track no and say go mo best start no more put the right men in the helms of affairs let me just so to my come so saying I say putting a square pegs into round holes. They are good people. A bit more good people. But I say position somebody amono and no muhuna so number 2. Also Kasai. Ade for penny offense Giorgio. Aye Filoni. And so on. Or see Giorgio Filoni is a AC Milan fan. And to opiniono or your supporter keke. Agonan would be a chance or course school no or kwaye mathematics. Any business. Or see he was a mathematician and a businessman for a fun, and that is his way of seeing things. And to say no football on the new football on new born who be beer and penny for share no man to sound your man on your sir club and so be and no and your guy first a ball but in summer or no so dear to chat this morning no and you go side on someone who told me a tear for I go to meet with so penny and the day I did Giorgio Filani not down for no or check no or me down for but truth be told no crono yanka mama Jonathan Ta I'm gonna be shakan adama pine bobo no until 2028 and I report I mean second no and to buy and board I giving I had the green light no at the opening I know yes I mean second and the day go say one some out turning no at the MTA for live on Sompa 93.1 Sompa television so again on Sompa FM with 93.1 our Facebook and so okwa unso betuma ahwe na bibia so no atumi aya kama mami Liverpool ego Dubai team no egu so amoje omani we aya Liverpool boboko no bibia kwaso kama and so the mama anya sam ketwa na me pa cho de tenie and say Liverpool team no we de enhwe kakra na me to so ye enhwe kakra ne yentie bi sadia omo celebrate omoje omani ego Dubai. Ronaldo Baninier and a chesson also be a coso at the Macrano and so nay Ronaldo Baninier and a chesson also be a coso at the Macrano and so nay or but 2 tabs and now said hey oh no not enough for bonus so massa so free chroma oh papa your legend about said born when your substance say about tonsa and so to media for where Ronaldo Jr. and Yaton Safran were national and the 15 Portugal and so abonten so or so be so better so come Damakran and we so many sotoja and now no penny go so Sompa 93.1 and so mami owranity ade Jeremy Frimpong ninchi Africana dia men shakanye and it's a Liverpool for nya bre dia suffer so mo ye no munya Ghana ni we no go so mo pay 35 million euros and no any reported figure mete so by all for Leverkusen for no e bet the money from any club e for Ghana ni Branton anything and so Eddie Jeremy Frimpong and no yan someone is so toja and now no pay go so stories no more and so bebo dwumete we so mami ancho postocoglu yenten in some kakra or say a prayer somewhere pra e wo team no mo dorso Tottenham Hotspur players dorso too much yenteno
Sompa FM.
In 2019 the Spurs players were walking on hot coals and breaking arrows against their throat as part of the preparation. What are your plans? Any
We've got enough injuries, mate. We've got enough injuries. I'm putting them in cotton wool for the next 10 days. Anything seriously with the way things have gone with us this year, any extracurricular activities are going to be at a minimum. I don't know if you were watching training today. We had Reggie tackle Brennan and they were on the same team. So, goes to show how we're going. You just got to hope and pray that the football gods have run out of sort of challenges to throw to us this year.
The last final in Europe, the Champions League final in 2019, the Spurs players were walking on hot.
And no, I run a daily Anju Postacoglu and some other to jar and no penny was said and somehow turning and so they but until space terminal one more prepare a dorsal one more and nay cotton woo and so titaro mucruso and now Sam a sour titaro mucruso and dorsal and me a coach and also somebody to jar and no penny was said and somehow on live on Sompa 93.1 again Sompa television and so stories no more and so bar the Bibiansu at me aquanim and so ho yan twas on I'm in I want some from na yentin komo mami tennis news way yen no free ho mesa so about football ebebe din komo kakra way ayo pani anything at the Andy Murray reporter me so can say ono anana oye coach Adema Novak Djokovic currently so sa adwuma no apa na wiye me take a lot of misunderstandings and as some intimu wase bebre enso ekoso e wo muntema agyan adwuma nsese ogya to en ayansom ne so pa na no payegu so ya de won sama hoton ade pa na bibia so tuma ye kama me konsamfo from wiase de betu bia ya no wasom na when make sure say Kristo no don ho bebo no na nu achi no gosan so ye adwuma den de we ya empempi etua ka Sompa enso ehun ensam no me pa to de tianie and it's so great friends where ya Anthony tada wo baby a na you baby na so akọ baby say teams be pray and Chelsea Anthony me tesa Manchester for na catch team my friends of Betis say player no season ban we on back on Sambra back and no I mean second day I Manchester United bobo ko nso asre when him said this morning be a story sam bobo ko ni tedi Atletico Madrid ebusa Manchester for no san komo betona and the you ready some beto Anthony and so they free United bobo ko asre but take it from me say United will love say recall boy you know so Umbra back but and they meti Anthony and so campus on person be ko United biem ɛnyɛ sɛ bia ɔkɔ back anase ɔse ɔmpɛ sɛ ɔbɛkɔ United biem enti loan wei ɛbɛ na wieyɛ na Betis bɔbɔkɔ anyɛ ready sɛ wɔn kora no ɛbɛfa no on loan biem anase wɔn bɛtɔn outright he will love to move elsewhere sɛ deɛ ɛbɛyɛ biribia nso ɛbɛtuma yɛ kama ɛno anso yɛn nsɛm afiri Anthony ɛnso ɛne Spurs bɔbɔkɔ no aso yɛ tɔtwa ne tɛ ɛgu so yɛte ɛho nsɛm ahoto ɛde mu yɛtie for life on Sompa 93.1 yɛntoa so me nkɔnsɛm foforɔ mu na biribia nso ɛntumi nyɛ kama end of year party bia Sompa ɛyɛ bia sɛ Prince wode wɔn na ɛba ɛyɛ dan a ante bɛba Mrs no ɛyɛ dan ɔbɛba na wunua ntaafoɔ no wɔn nso ɛbɛba na biribia nso ɛyɛ ɛtumi ayɛ kama Manchester United bɔbɔkɔ na nanɔpɛ mɛyɛ story ɛwɔ fiatem a yɛtie fo sɛ United fo mpanifoɔ no ɛyɛ ade a ma allocate number of tickets bi ɛde ama players no bia sɛ bia wobɛtumi ɛde wife aba na bia wadamfo baako bi wode aka ho ɛboro saa na ate sɛ wotɔ bi ɛnso ɛde ka ho ɛno ɛyɛ nsɛm a United bɔbɔkɔ no ɛnso communicate yɛde mu ɛyɛ powerhouse a yɛgu so a yɛde wo nsɛm ahoto ɛde mu yɛtie fo players can buy up to 10 more tickets but will be responsible for how their friends and family get there ɛno ɛyɛ wawasɛm enti sɛ wo no wobɛtɔ 10 a ɛyɛ wawasɛm wɔn deɛ wɔbɛma ɔtu pɛ deɛ aka no ɛyɛ wa no nso ɛbɛfote bill no ɛno ɛyɛ bɔbɔkɔ ne tɛde United deɛ menhyɛ ka ɛnso ɛfiri ɔma so yɛ na megu so a mede stories no ɛde yɛtiefoɔ tumate wei so mepakyɛw Grace yɛnkɔ back kakra na yɛnhwɛ ɛyɛ Michael Riches and somebody to dwa ɛde fa Frank Ribery ho wonim sɛ Ribery yɛ player baako a na bɔ no nimbɔ masa ɔde
I'm going to destroy him today. And he found out I was playing. He didn't even know who I was. So he had to ask Nasri, like, is he any good?
And what did Nasri say? Not really.
He said, like, he's fast and strong, so be careful.
Yeah.
And in the game, he destroyed me. But I didn't have no help from David Silva. Zero help. Zero help.
Is he not good at tracking back?
He didn't want to track back. One of the players,
okay, enti ɛno ɛyɛ opinion no and some of the two channel no the part of Grace ne Ransford me de link bi atom ho sesi a mo hwɛ na mo den wotuma ma me maba ho maba no so sesi aba be kasa enso atumi ade afa ho na wonim sɛ na day no games kakra be kɔ Spain the meeting sɛ ɛyɛ Real Valladolid boboko no ane Girona bebo ɛno ɛyɛ opinion de Terry Alejandro ɛyɛ Quintero ɔno be ho center hwɛ so Real Sociedad ɛbɛbɔ Celta Vigo and also Mr. Victor Garcia on the ball center Kensen so Romelu Sevilla Ebo UD Las Palmas and on a games and also so Yanko Poyad all the way from Spain. La Liga no and the other one some out on